Christmas! Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to 25 Days of Vlogmas. This is day 5. Me and Mike are gonna do arts and crafts with the kids. I saw this thing on Pinterest where you take paper plates and you cut out the middle of it and let the kids decorate it and it becomes a wreath. So I have scissors for me and Mike to help the boys cut, crayons, glitter, and I have ribbon so we can make a hole in it so it can hang. You ready? Ready? What? You gotta wait for Bubba, okay?
Go to mom.
There you go. And color. Come on. Sit down and color. Here's a different color. Oh yeah, that's so beautiful. Hello. Here, we need to try another color, like orange. Right there. See? Ooh. Look at that. Let's try red. Come on, Martin. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let's try green. Yeah. Now, Noah's not really feeling good, so I'll just finish his little wreath with him. So we're gonna stick a hole in the middle of it with the scissors. Yeah, is that pretty? And we're gonna cut around it, only leaving the outside open. Let me do yours, Wysum. Now 1 second, okay? Okay, wait. Just wait 1 dang 1 second. Okay, there you go. Color right here. I should have gotten markers instead of crayons, but now we're gonna try some glitter.
Blue? Give blue. Give blue. Blue.
It doesn't show up. Let me take this one.
Gold.
Gold? Okay. Don't touch it! No! 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 Stop! Stop! Okay. You want gold? Look. Open up the gold. So pretty. Look. Yay! So pretty. You want red? Okay. Okay, we're done. Red! That's right. Good job, man. Shake it. Good job. No, it's blue. No, that's blue. No, it's blue.
Blue.
Say blue. No, blue. There you go. No, green. Okay, open the bowl. No, purple. Did we already do purple? No. Okay, hold on. Okay. Now I'm gonna get all of the glitter that's right here and just sprinkle it over the glue.
Purple.
Thank you. And now we're gonna put a bow on it. I got this ribbon. This was on my tree last year. The silver. So I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna put a hole at the top. Put a hole. And then put the ribbon through it. Oh snap! That didn't go as I thought. Make another hole. Thank you, Wisey. We're gonna tie it like you're gonna tie your shoes. Oh, I'm going to save this forever. Voila! Wisey made his own Christmas wreath. Look! No. Yay, look! Look what you made! You like it? Yeah, you like it? Say cheese! Oh, okay. Something quick and easy for toddlers. Thank you guys so much for watching. And
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow on day 6 of Vlogmas. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, okay. Look. You want to show Nana and Grandma? Huh? This is yours. It's beautiful. And then we go mess